right, y'all.
That's right.
Rev just paid $60. $60 for this box.
I love opening.
And
cards, reading
they
cards.
put it together, so they're waiting to see if he's gonna be happy. This is gonna be
got a
interesting.
mop.
No, we didn't get together. Oh, we got
No, they came this way.
Oh,
That looks like that looks like a lot for $60.
You picked up Starbucks.
Starbucks espresso. Look at there. A
The only
racing.
thing that'd be good is if it had one of those
Alright,
barista
what are
bears in
these?
it.
That's like food.
It's like a subscription thing.
Yeah.
There-
Back to nature.
$319.27. It's not out of date.
Probably granola.
Oh,
It sounds like granola.
let's see. Oh, nuts!
That's a good deal. Rev, you know how much nuts cost, man? That's a good deal.
$60.
Well, we don't
Well, no,
say
you,
how much
dude, you know how much that would have cost?
There's some chain. No wonder it's so heavy.
I think that's a good deal.
Heavy's not always better.
Rev, you got quite the audience right here. Look.
Pop sockets is what happened when I walked upstairs.
Y'all got another sucker. I'm just
No, you didn't.
I think it's good. That's a lot of nuts.
Rev, I'll buy some nuts from you for $5.
$5. $5 nuts.
Okay.
No, I don't want to sell.
No, I'm gonna give you $5.
Oh, no.
Add those
Thank
to your
y'all.
box.
I think that's worth it, man.
Oh, yeah.
If you like nuts.
Should I buy another?
No.
Oh my gosh.
I love y'all shirt.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, indeed.
Rev, I feel like that's value.
I go by Rev Resale on YouTube.
Oh,
so
shit.
I pastor a church and resale, so
Oh yeah, I don't even know his name, honestly. I just call him Rev.
pretty good
Where's
stuff.
resale at?
We are I pastor a church in Porterdale, Georgia.
Okay, y'all, let me tell you the deal. We're at a garage sale right now. Y'all see all these boxes over here? Those are Amazon mystery boxes. These people bought them set up just like this. They're not even sure they don't know what's in them either. Kevin just bought one, and Rev bought one a minute ago. I thought he did okay.
Okay.
You want to go to the tailgate with it? Well, no, they want to see it too. But, I mean, it is your money. Huh? Oh, we're going to buy one now? Oh, you paid? Oh, we have to pick one. So, how do we pick one?
That was heavy.
Yeah. Battery labels on it, so.
Do we want heavy?
I don't know.
They're all heavy. Yeah.
I don't necessarily want as many nuts as Rev got.
I want one with the original Amazon.
Oh.
Yeah? How about that one?
Is that what you think?
Yeah. All right, grab that one. Let's go.
All right, we're going to go to the back of the truck? I would rather. All right. All right. We're going to open them over here. Y'all can come over here if you want, but we're going to do them over here. Thank y'all.
Thank y'all. Who gets the better box?
I don't know. How do you feel about, for real? How do you feel about your box? A little bit.
I don't feel good about it. This guy said the nuts are probably old.
They're not.
Oh,
I told
they're not.
you.
You were in date.
Yeah.
That's what I thought. Yeah.
Rev, there might be a resale market for that. That was a subscription box.
And they're in a box that's easy to ship. So,
Right.
I mean, we might get something out of it.
Okay, who's gonna go? Whoa, I'm sorry. Whose mystery we gonna solve first?
All right, yeah, we bought $60 mystery boxes. We're going to see what's in them.
You gonna do yours first?
I need a key or something.
Okay, hang on. Rev got
Got a knife.
Rev's always ready. He's got 23 pockets on them things, so you know he's got a knife in them things somewhere.
yeah. I have to open the knife for a lady.
There we go. All right.
There we go. Kevin was smart. Look, his has lithium in
Yeah,
the
his has got batteries.
battery.
Oh,
Yeah,
good
he
play.
Can't ship his in USPS though.
Well, you can. You just got to use the
Just
required.
reuse that box.
That's right.
We went with the original tape,
Right, exactly.
the prime tape.
It is, yeah.
Uh-oh. This looks like nuts. Is that nuts?
Oh, we got a bunch of whatever this
What is that?
Different.
Those are cables.
Some kind of cables. Okay, multi-point.
Oh, I see some dove.
Candace, I think these are fiber optic cables.
Nice. Some syrup. mask.
I bet that's okay. What is in it?
That looks like something we may not be able to sell.
That looks like a takedown on eBay.
You put that on Facebook.
Dietary supplement. eBay is the only place you can sell supplements, by the way.
Nikki T, tell me what that is. I got Nikki T
We got a
opening
bunch
that
of
one.
those.
What is that?
Oh, this might not be too bad. This is an LED note board.
What is it? Oh, a note board?
It's an LED note board.
Oh.
Oh, sweet.
I
So
might be.
it's one of those you plug in. I guess you hang it on the like.
Oh, okay. Maybe we can. Yeah. All right.
That
All right.
would be the new.
New surface.
What is that?
We got 4 boxes of these fake flower things.
Oh, I don't like that.
Decorating the shed with that.
All kinds of good stuff.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
need
It's
the
kind of fun.
That's right.
They're like a lottery scratcher.
Take the knife back up.
It's guaranteed to win.
I'm gonna get something.
That's right.
Have a good day, man.
I had it sitting
It was on the box. Don't worry, nobody.
What kind of? These might be good. I don't know.
there.
These are some fancy cables. I think they're 30-foot, like, you know that TOS link or fiber.
Yeah.
What else, Candace? Did you look in one of these yet?
That's the-
Oh, that
That's
was
the floral
Trying to
stuff.
get-
okay.
Those are the notepads. If they're white like this.
Yeah, those are the like LED little plug-in. I think you slide.
that's
some-
it.
Yeah. So we have. I hope those are good because we have like 9 of them.
Picture.
Some
Oh,
like the acrylic.
display signs
Oh,
for
yeah.
my craft booth.
Okay.
there you
They're
go.
kind of big.
But we have to like pretend like all this stuff is going to be useful and valuable.
I'm gonna sell those because they're kind of big.
I mean, we are. Candace, this stuff might be good.
I know we have quite a few of those. So.
I'm gonna look those up real quick and we'll be back. We got a used. That's gonna be a tosser because. Okay.
Y'all, who
All
will
right.
win? I think now Lonnie and Candace is in the lead.
I don't know. You don't like the nuts, huh?
Yeah,
We
I
didn't
don't.
dig to the bottom either.
I'm gonna.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be. That's gonna be my yard sale snacks for today.
What? Hey, Rev. What are those? Is that brand of nut called? You got in there?
Organic? No. Back to nature?
Okay. Yeah, it's like a subscription thing.
Back to nature.
All right, Kevin.
Nut of the month club.
Watch out behind you.
All right. What you got,
The
Kev?
only thing that would have made that better would have had that's called free.
That's right.
There's a bunch of these eyelash.
Oh, look
yep.
at here.
Oh, this looks.
Is
Ooh.
Is this winter chicken dinner?
It might be. Here, let's get this off the thing.
Oh, exercise stuff.
The grass is wet.
Here's some Zephyr.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Makeup.
Got all kinds of.
Got a lot
He's
of
got a little
stuff.
box.
They like
There's gonna be some gems there, buddy.
Oh, this is a like a necklace.
Necklace. Okay.
Like costume jewelry or something.
Yeah.
Wait,
I don't
what
know
is going
what's
on?
happening there?
Hey, I saw Rev and Nikki T do that on a video one time, I think.
Total resistance
Resistance
band.
bands. What is the brick? I'm sorry.
Oh, they got.
That is a definite return. We'll open that in a second. Look, tons and tons of this, whatever, all that.
Oh, some more.
Probably
Yeah.
jewelry maybe.
This is
Yeah.
more jewelry. You can do a whatnot with your jewelry.
Yeah.
Oh, this says this is a radar trail. Oh, this is a mount for a
All
garment.
skin types. So this must be a.
HBA.
Yeah.
The HPA sealed always has a shot being
Yeah.
pretty good.
Yep. So
Yep.
and here's some more. Some porn pink collage. I'm just kidding.
PDRN.
Oh, PDRN.
That's fish sperm. by
That's
the way.
that's Korean skincare.
Yep.
Yep.
People love it too.
Okay.
That belongs next to the
I don't
donkey's
see-
milk
That's right.
facial stuff.
We sell a lot of that stuff,
Oh,
man.
these are mounts for garments. This is a ton of smalls, like
Yeah,
a ton
you
of
got a
smalls.
bunch of smalls.
Awesome. Easy shippers.
Yeah.
Oh, snail cream. That's good.
Yeah, we know about the Korean stuff.
Yep. Drain opener.
That Korean stuff, dude, sometimes it could be like 50,
Oh,
60
that's
bucks.
good.
What is that?
We've had this.
Green
I mean, it'll
tomato.
sell when I say it's good.
Yeah. green
Eggplant
tomato.
mini lipstick.
What? You said lip pumping?
Lipstick.
Oh,
gonna try
that's
that
not
on?
what it is. Or it must be a lipstick holder of some
No,
sort.
I don't. It's a little pouch thing, like to clip on a backpack. That's
Got
cute.
some Revlon.
Nice, nice. If it's the same
bunch
shade,
in your
light it
I
up,
think you.
it's not.
There's no way you're not going to do okay
Yeah,
on
you're
this.
gonna get.
Oh, those are cute.
That's
I bet those
That's a good time of year too, man.
Yeah.
are cute.
Yep. Definitely be listen.
That bin, his.
His is
Man,
loaded.
Kevin, yours is packed.
What
Yeah.
has the
Rev,
battery in it?
Rev, you
though?
should have said a prayer.
Box is better than
I don't
mine.
think anything has.
Rev, you should have prayed on that. Which box? Which box?
Laid hands on it.
Oh,
It's,
Oh, you got some.
Oh, you got some Tide Pods?
Oh my
goodness.
Yeah, that's what the teenagers are snacking on these days.
That's like $30 in Tide Pods.
Yeah.
Dang, Kevin.
Yeah, more Revlon.
What's the
Red
battery
wine.
though?
That's what
I think they just used the box. I think they
Okay.
just.
Well, you have that other thing over here that
No,
you
there's
didn't.
something at the bottom that lights up, I think.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. There's something down here. Let's
Let's get this big thing out of your way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a big long.
neon light.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Backdrop for your YouTube studio.
There you go.
Yeah. Got some Minecraft stickers.
Oh,
Ah,
you can lot those up.
Yeah. Or well, they're
you're
not.
gonna be donating that, buddy.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, no. They're edible cake borders.
Coffee shampoo.
Oh, you're gonna be eating them. You're gonna get hungry one night, and you're gonna be like, "Oh well."
Now I'm bald headed.
Man, Kevin, you.
What is this?
Yeah.
Tide Pods.
What does that say? The gripper helps prevent liquid leaks.
Yeah, there you go.
Man, that's a lot of Tide there. That's 112 Tide Pods.
Yeah, that's.
Hey, Candace, how much are you willing to pay him for some Tide Pods?
I know, right?
You might be able to get your money back right here.
What's in that box? That box is loaded.
There's some.
Feel how heavy that is, the Tide Pods.
Oh yeah, this is a good. Yeah, this is an expensive box.
I know.
Made in
How much
China.
does that cost?
Oh,
Do you know?
Kevin.
What?
No.
Pokemon in a mystery box?
that a
Pokemon
dick?
cards.
Kevin, you living right.
Yeah.
Are you gonna break them?
No.
That looks fake.
Gold cards.
I mean, it probably is, but
But that's sweet though.
I don't know. I'm just saying.
How
Like
can you
it
tell?
doesn't. I mean, look at it.
I don't know. Let's.
That's cool.
You ever seen anything like that, Kevin?
I have,
Everyone's
actually.
Pulling out their.
We are going to do an image search.
Here, I'm gonna open it for you real quick
No,
before you
you're not.
search. Need my knife? Need Rev's knife?
There's nothing. No mark.
As long as you're willing to risk your account, you can make $20 on that.
Wait. I
that?
think I found me a visor.
Well, no.
It's yours.
Can I open it?
Yeah.
What does it say?
Oh, y'all gonna love this.
Does it say,
Y'all are gonna love
does it say too hot? Too hot for my husband? Is that what it said?
Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, actually fun. It's not. They're a decent value.
My husband.
That's perfect.
That's great.
I'm sorry. Oh my gosh.
Hey,
sorry about my husband.
this was $60 worth of fun, if anything.
Oh, yeah. I mean, it's like opening
my
card
God.
packs.
It is, really.
I think you got
Man,
good stuff though.
What if
is
that had
that?
been real?
Oh wow.
bet
A
these-
tag of
These
like a.
probably do all right. P3
Of course, it's a China knockoff, but I mean,
Okay. Well,
but
cool.
still.
All right,
we
y'all.
should
I'm going to
just
go
shop
pound
your
in my
boxes here all
truck.
day, huh?
Rev, your nuts are good, man. Your nuts are worth it.
Okay.
They might even
I'm
be.
going to open up some and try them.
You need to comp them, Rev.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
You might have like $200 in nuts. I'm serious. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all. Rev bought his mystery box. He's bummed out, and I think he's wrong. Look at all these nuts. What is it called?
Simple Orchard.
Simple or let's look it up, Rev.
All right, let's see.
Okay, Rev's finding out about that. We're finding out what's in the brick. What is this?
Well, made in China for sure.
Okay.
Did we have any doubt that it wouldn't be?
Yeah.
Cool.
What is this? What is this? That's a water bottle.
Thank you, Bob.
All right, it's a donate. It's
That is.
Oh look, it's some junk. Your box was not bad, man.
No, I'll get my money back.
Oh, you're gonna make money on that. All right. What did you see, Rev?
14 fifth width. That nut cravings, $31.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
And if you lot them up together, maybe two, one or two lots or whatever. How many you have?
Oh, there's a bunch of them.
Oh, you got like what, 7 of them?
And the espresso. I mean, the espresso things, those have to be something, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Did you dig to the bottom of your box?
I did.
That's Starbucks, man. Dude, look. That's
Yeah,
what, 12 of those? I bet Nikki T could drink those.
Low.
Man, if you buy those at the store, they're probably $5 a piece, $4 a piece.
Some on eBay for $24 free delivery.
I think Rev's got profit here because he saw where some people were getting up to like $30 for these nuts sometimes. So I think he's got a good box. Okay, well that was fun, but we need to get on down the road. We are not going to specialize in mystery boxes, but
It was fun.
it was fun. We dropped $180 between the three of us, and I think we're all three
Yep.
Rev don't really like his too much, but I think he's gonna make money, like pretty easy, decent money on it. Kevin's happy. I think, Candace, we're happy, huh?
Yeah, I got a cool hat.
Yeah. Oh yeah, your hat. What does it say?
I'm
Sorry about my husband.
Yeah, she has to do that, like for real sometimes. But yeah, that is going to be it for this one. Thanks a bunch for watching, and we'll see y'all again very soon. Bye, y'all.
Bye.